Okay, what was the first one, Atul?
50 nanometer.
50.
Yeah, 50.
50 nanometer. What was your answer?
5 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter.
5 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter. Yes. What about others? All have got these answers. Anyone has any doubt? See, we can write both ways. Either you can write 50 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. That also correct. Okay. Why? For Atul, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 come because 50 also is equal to 5 into 10. So a raised to m into a raised to n formula. So 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Add m plus n, you will get minus 8. Okay. So I think you all know all this still. I'm just making it. So physics, majority we will be giving the answers in the simplest form this way. Okay, more than bigger number, we will give you the answers like that. Okay. Punya, read the next one, Punya.
0.8 decimeters.
0.8 decimeter. Okay, what was your answer?
0.8 into 10 raised to minus 1 meters.
0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, you can make into a positive number also by multiplying divide with 10 by 10. That was also we can do, or 100 by 100. Okay, this is enough. You don't have to, I don't want to confuse everyone. This is enough. At least this much you know, it's correct. Okay, Sania, can you read the next one?
12 centimeter.
5 centimeter?
12 centimeter.
12. That everyone knows. What is 12 centimeter is equal to how much?
0.12 meter.
0.12 meter. And see children, when you do the physics practical, it is easy, avoid this decimal numbers. Okay. See practical and all, you have to do manually the calculation. We are not allowed to use the mobile calculators. So if you converted meter into centimeter in terms of 0.12 meter, it is difficult for you to do the calculation because you know that 2 experiments within 3 hours you have to do everything. So if you 12 centimeter, it is easy for you to just keep it like this. 12 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. This is also correct. I'm not telling it's not wrong. But this way, if you do that, see, this is a positive, no decimal. So it's easy for us to divide, multiply, all that things. Okay. If it comes, division comes, some people, not everyone, may have some error. Due to that, fast you will be doing some mistake. So if you have like that, 12 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, that is easy to keep it. So that we can avoid calculation of powers. Just keep it like that. Okay. Mainly we are using all these are in our practical record, and to find out the value, we are using all this method. Okay. Evelyn, fourth one. Fourth question, fast. After 12 centimeter, which is the number I gave you?
78 gigameter.
78 gigameter. Okay. What's the answer? 78 giga.
78 into 10 raised to 9.
10 to the power of 9. Giga stands for 9. Okay. 78 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay. Ashwin, can you oh, it's gone. Ashwin, can you tell me the fifth one? 78 gigameter means that already you know. Ashwin, on your video, Ashwin. Where is Ashwin? Ashwin, you just got up from the sleep or what, Ashwin? Tell me the fifth one. After 78, what was the next one? Tell me. Are you telling me?
Ma'am,
What was that? After 78 gigabyte, which is the number I gave? Yes or no? You tell me at least. Just read that question at least. Is video stuck? Okay, Aditya Yasraj, give me the next one.
Ma'am, 85 mm.
85 What is this mm, Aditya?
Millimeter.
Minimum. Say like that, okay? We don't say GM, MM, just like we are calling some chairperson and all, not like that. We have to say that name. 85 millimeter. Can you tell me the answer? 85 millimeter is equal to what? 78 gigameter is over. So 78 into 10 to the power of 9 meter. Okay. 85 millimeter,
Ma'am,
Aditya?
it is not millimeter.
Then what
It
was
is
it?
capital M.
What is this capital M stands for?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Don't know. Did not write when I was explaining last class.
Ma'am, you told you will send in the WhatsApp.
Then also you should have written no. That's a short note. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Yeah, tell me. M stands for what, children? M stands for what?
Ma'am, not that M. Micros M.
Which M? Small m
Micro,
or
ma'am.
bigger micro?
Micro.
It is, that is not M. It is mu. M-E-U, not meow, it is mu. Okay. M-E-U, mu. You have already learned in sound chapter nu also. Remember nu lambda. So similarly, there's another one we uses is mu. Okay. So 85 micrometer. What is the answer? Okay, tell me now. Micro. What's the answer? Nandana, can you tell me? Because time is running.
85 into 10 raised to minus 6.
Yes, 85 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Our capacitor, resistance, all this will come in terms of this. Micro. Okay. Yeah. The next one. Okay. By the way, what is this 85 mega m? Mm. Anyway, it is not given. What is this mega stands for which number? Tell me anyone. Micro, 10 to the power of minus 6. Mega stands for?
10 raised
6.
10
10 to the power of 6. Correct. Similarly, if it is small mm, anyway, milli stands for?
10 raised to minus 3.
It is very, you already know that. Okay. So it is 85 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So these are the 3 m's mainly we uses. M, no, this is mu. We don't call it m, it is mu. Then capital M is mega. Then small m is milli. Micro stands for minus 6. Mega stands for positive 6. And this stands for minus 3. Clear? Okay. What's the next one, Meenakshi?
.98 millimeter.
0.98
Millimeter.
millimeter. Tell me that. Just now we have finished.
98 to 10 raised to minus 5 meter.
Milli, no? Milli or mega?
Milli.
So milli, what's the value of milli?
10 raised to minus 3.
Minus 3 meter. Just now all I discussed, no? 0.98 to 10 raised to minus 3. Vidur, next one. I think last one, no? No, 2 more. Yeah. Next one.
0.001 kilometer.
0.001. 01 kilometer. Okay. Tell me the answer.
0.001 into 10 raised to 3 meter.
See, in this case, children, we can do it other way also. Okay. See, it is it's also in powers of 1, no? We can just multiply easily here. It's not necessary you stop here because in 0.001, if you multiply, what you will get? Answer finally. 10 to the power 0.001 into 1000. What you will get the answer? So we can simply write 1 meter also, because this is simple numbers. Simple numbers we can write like this also. It's not necessary to keep it. Okay, because 1 meter multiplication division is easy. No problem for it. Okay, yeah. So next one more, I think. 1 kilometer, one more. Last one. Aditya, you tell me last one.
Ma'am, 2.56 kilometer.
2.56 kilometer. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 2560 meter.
2560. Will it 256? 2.56 into 10 to the power of 3. So 256000. So how many decimals, Aditya, we have to shift? Here only 2 decimals, no? So how many zeros you have to shift?
2.
So what is your final answer? Correct?
Yes,
So see, this is our, so this is this much meter. Okay, even you write it 2.56 into 10 raised to the meter, okay. But since he has given me answer 256, I have to rectify it. So that's why you will get 2560 meter in case if you multiply and write, because it has got only 2 decimals. Okay. Okay, students. So we have completed. This is one of the basic of physics. We have to know. Another one is significant figures. Significant figures. It's not simple. In physics, always when we do calculation, if you suppose you are getting a number like this, 78.9865 meter something, we don't write entire number in the answer. What we do, either we do for 2 decimals or 1 decimal. So if you want to make for 2 decimal, that means you have to write for 2 significant figures or 3 significant figures like that. So if you look at here, 78.9865, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 figures are there. 6 digits are there. So if I tell you to take it for 2 significant figures, what do you mean by 2 significant figures? We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are important. So 2 significant figures means we will get only this number last. But we cannot just write 78. What we do? We have to look for the 3rd digit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 6 digits are there. 2 significant figures means, that means you have to write this number in 2 digits. 2 digits. Okay. 3 significant figures means you have to write this number in 3 digits. 4 significant figures means you have to write this number in 4 digits. Okay. So now total we have here 6 digits. I am asking you to convert it right into 2 significant figures means you have to write it with only 2 digits. The first from left to right, first 2 digits. Okay. But we cannot simply write 78 because on small classes we have learned rounding off. You heard about rounding off the number, rounding to the next power, rounding to the next 100. Have you heard about? You have studied in, I think, small classes. The same thing we are applying. So if you want to write it in 2 digits or 2 significant figures, we have to look for the 3rd digit, whether it is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. You have to look it, whether it's a decimal number or any number. Whether it's a decimal number or any number, we have to look into the 3rd digit, whether it is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Suppose it is less than 5. For example, 78.3. 0.3 is 3. The 3 is less than 5. Then what we do in physics, we discard this number, which is on the right side discard. We simply write approximately equal to 78. This is the answer. Suppose it is for, if it is less than 5. Now in this number I have given 78.9865. So look it for decimal 9. 9 is greater than 5. Then what we do? One number you just add to this. One number you add to this, then your answer is going to equal to approximately 79 meter. So this is for significant figures. How to write the values in physics, significant figures. So whenever we measure the smallest thing, like in microphysics, like atomic particles, nuclear physics and all, everything come in very nano and micrometer. So in that cases, you will get the values 0.12, 0.13 like that. So in that case, we have to use this kind of rounding of it. Clear? Any doubt? Because this is you are learned in the small classes. Similarly, okay, I just give you the some. In the case of decimal, same number. I want this answer in first two decimals. My question is not significant figures. I want this answer in first two decimals. Okay. Then same method, first two decimal means you should have only two decimals after the left side, after the main digits. Okay. So you have to give me the answer only in terms of this. Okay. Same method, look to the next digit, whether it is greater than or 5. Okay. So now 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, in order to make this into for two decimals, 78.9, add one number to 8. Then you will get it as 78.99 meter. That's all. Okay. So this is how to write in two decimals your answer. And the first one what I taught when I mentioned the significant figures. Okay. Yeah. Similarly, another one, 78.935. Give me the answer in two decimals. Lydia, can you tell me what is the answer in two decimals, this number?
78.993.
Two decimal, 93. It's 5. I told you greater than or equal to 5. So what is your answer is going to be? 78.9. 9.
5.
5 is the third decimal. I wanted in two decimals. So what you do? It is 5. I said greater than or equal to 5. We will add 1. Correct? So what is going to be this 3? What happened to 3 now? 78.9. Add 1. 3. Add 3. 1 to 3. How much you will get, Lydia? Sania, I think Lydia, are you over there? Tell me. Now it is equal to 5, no? So what is this 3 going to be, Lydia? Children, don't take it literally. Literally, don't take that 1 I have to add to 78. Not like that. Whichever number we stop that writing the value, with that number you have to add 1, whether it's a decimal or other. So it is greater than or equal to 5. Therefore, our answer is 78.94. Because 5 or it is 5 or greater than 5. We will add one number to the number where we have to stop. Similarly, if you write 98.5555, it's a recurring number. It's a recurring number. Correct. I just tell you to give me the answer in one decimal. What was your answer is going to be? There are so many other people on the board. Yes, Gayatri, give me the answer. 98.555, give me the answer in one decimal.
98.6.
98.6. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Shivani, give me the answer in one decimal. 85.9333. In one decimal. What is your? 85.9. Okay. I hope now it's clear. 80.1. Now she said 85.9 because 3 is less than 5. So we can discard it. Okay. Krishna Chandran, give me the answer in terms of 3 decimals. 54.6587 in 3 decimals.
54.659.
659. I hope everyone is clear regarding. Okay. Yeah. Now, if I ask 685.7.3. Okay. Achyut, give me this answer in 4 significant figures.
6857.
Give me this answer in 4 significant. 6857. Okay? Correct? Yeah. Next.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes?
one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
What if it was 78.9965?
78.9965. How many
In
figures?
2 decimals.
In 2
2.
decimal. 2 decimal, add 1 to 9. Then what is your answer is going to be? 10. Again, that carry will be added to 9 again. Okay? Usual.
Oh,
So it is,
okay.
what is your answer going to be? Same only. Okay?
Mm.
Finally, you get is 79. What's the answer now? 79. That's it. Okay. A usual addition, and 78.99 it's a difference of fraction of 0.1. So it is going to be equal to 79 anyway. That is what when we learned in 10th standard, 9th standard, acceleration due to gravity 9.8. We have done the problem using the number 10. Correct. So that is the one. Okay. Similarly, okay, next Aryan. Okay, Aryan, give me this answer in 5 significant figures.
56785.
7, 8.
5.
Is it going to be 5? Look at the digit after decimal. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
6.
So this one will going to be 56786. Okay. And I think in smaller classes you have learned no rounding off to next to the power. We are not doing that. Okay. We are not doing to the next to the power. 10th power. That is not the part of it. Small classes we have learned. Rounding out to the next tens and all. So if it is like that, this answer is going to be like this. 56800. If you make into the powers of 10. Okay. That is not needed. So actually we require only this much. Okay. Yeah. So that's all about our the significant figures and how can you round off whenever in the problem. Always see that suppose you are getting answer is 25.523. Your answer you have to make it into 25.52, 2 decimals. In physics always in 2 decimals we usually do the problem. Okay. And some books and all they will just give in one answer also 25.5. Okay. So usually if you want to stop the calculations, the calculation is not ending. The carrying is going on. Okay. Carrying is there and then you can stop the calculation up to 3 decimals. When you do the practical, you can stop the calculation up to 3 decimals. Then beyond that, you don't have to continue the division. Practical. Because practical, you will get so many answers, so many digits like this. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, so many decimals. So it is very difficult for us to get the actual answer. So usually in physics, practical when you do the division up to 3 decimals. Then rounding off into 2 decimals. Okay, that is will be our final answer in the practical. Okay, okay children, so I am winding up the session now. So this all basic, please learn significant symbol, but you have to learn it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.